Hello guys, good evening or good morning, good afternoon from wherever you are, where you're watching from, and whatever time it will be when you're watching it. I welcome you to today's tutorial, and like I said in my last video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can fund your wallet. So I'm going to be using my mobile phone to explain. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be transferring some digital currency from my Binance account to my Kucoin account. Okay, the reason is because on Kucoin I could not buy USDT that I wanted to buy. In my last video, I've shown how to buy USDT, how to fund your account with USDT using P2P. Those who are from Nigeria, but if you want to fund your account, you can fund it also using a debit card or using PayPal or any other payment method that may be available in your country. Okay, so for those in Nigeria and some African countries, you can use the Binance P2P. So the P2P is not available on the Kucoin app, so it's the reason why I had to fund my Binance account. So let me open my Binance account to show you. Okay, I have USDT in my account. So I already have USDT, so I just go to my USDT and I want to transfer this particular amount, 119 USDT. I want to transfer it to my Kucoin app. So how did I get here? Well, this is more or less like a demo account. I wouldn't want to be sharing everything. So the way how I got there is when you come open your account, your Binance account, or wherever you want to transfer from, you just go to wallets and then you have to look for the coin that you want to transfer. So I have some coins over here, so I want to transfer USDT, as you can see. So you click on the coin. If I were to transfer index, I would have selected this. Okay, this is more or less like a demo account for me, so most of the funds I have here is just for testing the market. Yeah, so sorry about that WhatsApp pop-up. So now I'm just going to click on the USDT. Where is the USDT? Okay, USDT. So now when you click on it, you're going to see withdraw or deposit. Now if you click on deposit, it means you want to send money, like deposit money on this Binance account. So there are options you can do is to send the address of someone to help you fund it. Okay, um currently I'm not in Nigeria, that's why you're saying I can buy using a card. I can buy using my ATM card. Even though it's showing this, that's not actually currency. Actually this is the current currency I can use to buy. Yeah, but I'm not doing that. So what I'm actually going to do is to click on withdraw, because I want to withdraw the fund that I have, which is this 119 USDT, to my Kucoin app so that I can buy a coin there, right? So having gone to this place, I need to put in the wallet address over here and select the next network type, which I'm going to explain in a bit, and also select the amount I want to withdraw and to deposit. I can deposit $60, 60 USDT, or 100 USDT, or 119, everything, or max everything. I can deposit it to where I want to deposit it, so which is my Kucoin. So I'm just going to minimize this Binance app and open the Kucoin app. Here it goes. Okay, so I've already come here. This is also like a new account I've already set up. So I have some coins here I've already bought. So I want to deposit um I want to deposit, I want to receive, right? So it's actually deposits. You understand the concept. Somebody wants to send me, so the person is depositing into my account. So I'm going to click on deposit. And what am I depositing? I'm going to search what I'm depositing here, which is USDT. It's important so you don't get to send USDT to a wrong address. It's like sending those in Nigeria. It's like sending money from GT Bank to Union Bank account. It's not going to work. You understand? So now there are many network on the blockchain technology, even on USDT. It's cut across all digital currencies. So take notes. There is ERC20. This is built on. It is built on the Ethereum blockchain technology. Now the TRC20 is built on the Tron network technology. The KCC, this is new, is built on the Kucoin, and then you have others. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna be depositing anywhere you send to, provided it is a right address, it will get to your account. But normally you have to use the one that the fees is not much. The reason why we people don't normally use they don't normally use ERC is because it is a Ethereum blockchain technology, and Ethereum network, it's known to be very expensive. So the transaction fees, they're always very expensive. Okay, so now I'll be sending to True Network. So I want to receive, so I want to receive it on my Cocoin app. So I will need the address. So and I want to send it to TRC. Do not copy this one, don't copy this, don't copy this, don't copy this. This is Ethereum. You have to copy this one, which is TRC20. That is a Tron network, and the transaction fee here, no matter the amount you're sending, is always $1, one USDT. So now I'll just copy the address, which is starting from TF blah blah blah. You see this long address there, it is the address. So I'll just copy it, and then I'll minimize and go back to my Binance app. So now I can paste it over here. I can paste the address there and then select the network. So see what I was talking about. Now if you were to send to another Binance account, you would use the BEP2. This is the Binance blockchain technology. Then there's also the Binance Smart Chain. This is the ERC20 I was talking about, Ethereum. So imagine of any transaction you perform, you're going to be spending 35 USDT. So imagine you're sending 20 USDT, you'll be spending 35 years. That is a no-go area. That's a bad business, yeah. So we'll be using the TROC, which is Tron blockchain, Tron network, Tron blockchain technology. That's what we'll be using. So the estimated time of arrival is 5 minutes, and the fee is 1 USDT. Okay, so I'll select it. It is the right one. So understand the concept. So now everything is filled up, and I'm sending everything of my coin that I have, the USDT that I have. So all I have to do now is to I'll be receiving 118.98251. Okay, so I'll just click on withdraw, and then it will come up, bring up this page, and I can confirm it. So there's going to be a verification sent to my phone and also my email. This is very good because in this way your account is secured. So the code has come for the phone. I'll paste it there. Now I wait for the one for the email. That is the email there, and so I think it's must have come, but I'll just minimize, go to my email and select the right email. Yep, I have a lot of emails here. So this is the email that I want. I'll just refresh and wait for it. I have a lot of email. So I think I have to go under social. There's actually nothing yet. So maybe it has come because I have a lot of email. I can't see it. Let me check. Important is not yet here. um I think it should be on the primary. So here, why the delay? So I think I am going to go and resend the code to my email again. I don't know why it's delaying. Should have come before by now. Doesn't always delay. It doesn't always delay. So let me wait for it. Okay, it has come. So that's it. So I would copy the code. Of course, the code can only be used once. And then enter the code and wow, it's wrong. Okay, I think they sent another one, so I would have just waited for the first one. This is actually another one, the right one. Remember, I sent it twice, so that should be the right one now. Yep, so that's the right one. So it's been submitted for processing. So I just have to wait few minutes. It will come. It will come to my Kucoin app here, and I'll be able to see it under my wallet. So I hope this tutorial has been helpful.